Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert an image to video in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Canva design where you have the image you want to animate. Once your design loads up, you'll see all your elements on the canvas ready to work with. Now, click on the image you want to convert into a video. When you select it, you'll notice that the image gets highlighted with a border, indicating that it's active and ready for editing. This selection is important because it tells Canva which element you want to apply animations to. Next, look at the top toolbar of your screen and click on Animate. This button opens up a panel with various animation options specifically designed to bring your static images to life. The Animate feature is what transforms your still image into dynamic video content, making it more engaging and eye-catching. From the animation panel that appears, select one animation style that best fits your image. You'll see options like rise, pan, breathe, and many more. Each style creates a different effect, so choose one that matches the mood or message you're trying to convey. The animation you select will determine how your image moves or transitions when it's played as a video. If you have other images or elements in your design that you'd also like to animate, go ahead and repeat the same process for each one. Click on the element, go to Animate in the top toolbar, and select an animation style. This allows you to create a more cohesive and dynamic video where multiple elements come to life in their own unique ways. You can mix and match different animations to create interesting visual effects throughout your video. Once you're satisfied with how all your images and elements are animated, it's time to export your work as a video file. Click on Share at the top right corner of your screen, and then select Download from the drop-down menu. This takes you to the download settings where you can customize how you want to save your creation. In the File Type section, make sure to select MP4 video from the available options. This format is essential because it converts your animated design into an actual video file that can be played on any device or platform. Without selecting this format, your animations won't be exported properly. Finally, click the download button and give it a moment to process. Canva will render all your animations and compile them into a single MP4 video file. The processing time depends on the complexity of your animations and the length of your video, but it usually takes just a few seconds. And that's it. You've successfully converted your image into a video using Canva's animation features. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.